everyone, Lily here with SGI Property Management. Today we're talking about something every landlord needs to get right: handling a tenant's security deposit when they move out. Security deposit mistakes are one of the most common reasons landlords end up in court. In this video, I'll walk you through the right way to handle a tenant's deposit so that you can stay compliant and avoid costly disputes. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more rental property tips. Step 1 is to know the rules and timelines. Every state has its own laws about how long you have to return a security deposit after a tenant moves out. In most places, it's somewhere between 14 and 30 days. In Arizona, the law is 14 days. You'll want to know your state's specific deadlines and whether you need to provide written notice of deposit deductions. You will also want to know what receipts or documentation are required and what the penalties are for missing the deadline. If you're unsure about the rules in your area, consult a legal professional or local landlord-tenant guide. Step 2 is to conduct a thorough move-out inspection. Before you return any deposit money, inspect the property and compare its condition to move-in. Some best practices are to use a move-in checklist with photos, take new photos and videos of any issues, and know the difference between normal wear and tear and actual tenant damages. For example, small nail holes or worn carpet is considered normal wear, while broken blinds or holes in the wall are considered damage. It's easy to get this wrong if you're rushing or don't have good documentation. And the last thing you want is to get caught in a dispute over a few $100s. At SGI Property Management, we handle detailed move-in and move-out inspections, document everything thoroughly, and make sure deposit returns are handled the right way. If you'd rather not deal with the hassle, we're here to help you avoid legal issues and keep tenant relationships professional. If you want peace of mind with your rental property, reach out to us and see how we can help. Step 3 is to itemize any deductions clearly. If you're keeping part of the deposit for repairs, send the tenant an itemized list explaining exactly what's being withheld and why. You'll want to include a description of the damage, the cost of repairs, and copies of invoices or receipts. A good tip is to not charge for anything you can't prove. That's one of the fastest ways to lose if you end up in court. Step 4 is to return the balance within the legal timeline. Once you've calculated deductions, return the remaining deposit to the tenant. Make sure it goes to their forwarding address or an address that they've provided. You'll want to include the balance being returned, the itemized list of deductions, and a check or electronic refund. A good tip is if the tenant didn't give you a forwarding address, check your local laws. Some states allow you to send the deposit to their last known address or hold it for a certain period of time. Step 5 is to avoid common mistakes. Mistakes we often see are missing the legal deadline, not providing written deductions, charging for normal wear and tear, and also commingling security deposits with personal funds. Security deposits should always be held in a separate account. Handling a tenant's security deposit the right way protects your business and your reputation. Follow the law, keep great records, and always be fair and transparent with your deductions. If you'd rather not keep up with changing laws or manage the documentation yourself, a property management company can take care of all of that for you. If this video helped clarify how to handle security deposits, give it a like and subscribe for more landlord tips and property management insights. Thanks for watching.